Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Hits again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Hotmail account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Hotmail account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in hotmail.com like this and hit enter. And after that, you can see the Outlook Live page has opened because the Hotmail has been upgraded to Outlook Live itself. Now to sign into your Hotmail account, you can see the sign in option available at the top right corner of the screen. Click on sign in, and after that enter your Hotmail ID over here. For me it will be this one, and after that click on next over here and enter your password and click on sign in. And there guys, we have successfully logged into our Hotmail account, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.